Someone has very rightly said that an organization is only as extraordinary as its people. As a leader, we should all realize that our companies as well as our reputations are only as good as the people we employ. In the new normal, many organizations have taken up the initiative for repurposing HR to discover the new why of the HR function. Not small changes, but paradigm shift in the purpose of HR is the need of the hour. Proactive HR excellence learning modules would throw light on many of the innovative people centric practices, which will certainly help the organizations to look at the new purpose of their HR function. The purpose of proactive HR excellence interventions is to help HR function to operate as one of the business profit centers of the organization. Swami Vivekananda ji had very rightly said that I have been always learning great lessons from that one principle, and it appears to me that all the secret of success is there, and that is to pay as much attention to the means as to the end. Selection of right financial KPIs is very important to serve the purpose, and for this, it is recommended that organizations should allot a weightage of at least 50% to the two financial goals of all HODs. Number one, to increase the ROI on total people cost. Apart from total fixed and variable manpower cost, the total people cost also includes the notional rent on the office space and all the admin and welfare expenses. And second, to increase the profit per person. Every person in the department which a company employs must break even his or her total CTC by adding value to the holistic wealth of the organization. There are three types of people in any organization. Number one, PA type people or performing asset people. These are the people who have profit booster skills to at least break even their total CTC. The second type are NPA type people. These are the people whose CTC is more than the value which they add to the holistic wealth of the organization. And the third, the permanent liabilities type of people are the negative asset type of people. And these are the people who play politics. They steal the credit of the value added by the PA type people. They do not allow the PA type people to add value in proportion to their capabilities. And usually, such negative asset people are also having a doubtful integrity. What if the recruitment, talent management, performance management, learning and development, and organization development verticals of an HR function are simplified and merged into one performance enablement system? Being proactive in designing the performance enablement system requires foolproof planning in advance to ensure that the probability of failure in achieving the numbers of the business plan is almost zero. Gone are the days when HR was talking only about the number of high posts in the organization. In the proactive HR excellence approach, it is also answerable for the percentage of NPA type people upgraded to become PA type people and percentage of negative asset type people eliminated from the organization. Proactive HR excellence skills are very simple to learn, and we passionately help our mentees to manage the execution of actions for the change or for the transformation. We can guarantee that people with proactive HR excellence skills will never have the risk of job loss, or organization with enough PA type people will never have the risk of losing the business. Dream it, let's do it and make it happen. We cannot go back and make a new start, but we can start now and make a new ending. For registering to our upcoming free webinar on proactive HR excellence or in-house webinar on any of the modules, please write to us on uprise.people@gmail.com. Thank you.